Satan would seem to have a problem. How would he be able to explain away the fact that every person who was a Christian had suddenly disappeared? It would seem like a huge wake-up call to the world that the Christians were right after all. It is becoming more and more clear what Satan's solution to this dilemma is. He will answer this unbelievable idea, the rapture, with another unbelievable idea, an alien deception. An alien abduction narrative could explain the sudden disappearance of millions of Christians worldwide. With each passing year, the frequency of UFO sightings seems to keep increasing, as does the number of movies, television shows, and video games featuring aliens. It is almost as if the population of the planet is being primed for something. Christians must deal with this from a biblical worldview and not be caught up in the deception that UFOs are anything but agents of the Prince of the Power of the Air, aka Satan.